Hi, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and we're going to present you our second part from this tutorial where we show the other two styles that you can do with the 4 lace braids. Remember how we started part 1? And we're going to show you one of our favorite styles that are 4 different lace braids that can be laid over a ponytail, worn as a half-up style, or even for a ballet bun, and we're going to show you all those 3 styles. Thank you so much. So this is the half-up style. We ended part 1 of the tutorial, and there you see the 3 front lace braids stacked into the one by the side. Those 4 braids we just clip out of the way now. Then we're going to grab the remaining hair into a high ponytail. So the ponytail is going to be right under the braids. I'm holding here with the paddle brush all her hair together and then spritzing some water over it to avoid flyaways and to smooth better out the hair. So, and I'm going to change the brushes because I want to smooth out the sides. I want to look it very neat as contrast to the braids on the top. And I'm using this brush where I do not know how you call it. So please leave me a comment below. Tell me how I should name this brush if you know it. And then you hold everything with the left hand. And now use a strong hair tie. Hold it with the thumb. Bring it around the ponytail and stick the end now again over the thumb and bring through the end that you put at the beginning. You see, over the thumb, and now pull the other end, and you have grabbed now all the hair without moving anything of the ponytail, the same way as you would still be holding it with the hand. You can also always use a hair tie and 2 bobby pins, but if you have so much hair to handle like I have with my daughter, then this is convenient. So now, like always, I like to hide the ugly elastic with a strand of hair. So put in the topsy tail tool, comb the strand that you're going to bring around the top of the ponytail. You can use some hairspray or some water, just keep it sleek and plain. And now through the topsy tail tool and pull it down into the ponytail and hide that shorter end inside of the ponytail. And now 1 braid goes over to the right and the 3 lace braids are going over to the left. And this is our final result and the second style of these 4 lace braids into a ponytail. I hope you like it. Often we prepare ponytails in the morning, and then in the afternoon when Trencita has ballet classes, we have to make a quick bun. So I'm going to show you now how I transform this ponytail into a bun by doing a rope twist braid. I explained that in tutorials before. You will just split into 2 strands and you turn 1 strand, in this case to the right, and then bring it over to the left, and like this the 2 strands stick together and they won't unravel. When you reach the end of the hair, just tie it off with a little elastic. I brought the strands over to the left, and that's the same direction I'm using now to wrap this bun. I'm wrapping it to the left, and then you use enough bobby pins. Make sure that the little points on the top are showing down. Use enough bobby pins to hold everything in place. Just pin them around the bun. It's nicely secured. You're going to bring the 3 lace braids over to the left and the single one to the right, and you wrap first the single one around the bun, bring the loose ends under and hide them under that braid before you pin it in place. Use bobby pins again. Now you take the other 3 lace braids and you wrap them around parallel to each other all together, pin them and fix them to the bun, and then take the loose ends, wrap them around your finger, and there, when you have them wrapped together, you're going to hide them under the braid. Just use another bobby pin to make them hold and stay in place. And this is the final result, our ballet bun, the third version of our 3+1 lace braid style. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and please press the notification bell for not missing any new tutorial that we normally upload on Monday and Thursday. For more inspiration, pop on by our Instagram account and send us a direct message or leave us a comment here down below the tutorial for any request for new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.